Hello, job seeker. Welcome to Brainy Bites Academy for your channel. Today, let's talk about IBM written test and how was the written test and what type of questions that have asked in written test and which pattern it is. Let's discuss about all these things. So, it is like a METTL pattern again. So, most of the questions like how a METTL pattern looks like same as like they asked all METTL pattern questions, some into the SQL and some questions into the programming knowledge and all, and some multiple choice questions. So let's discuss about SQL type questions and programming questions because major of the part they asked about these questions only. So they have given 2 to 3 SQL queries and 1 to 2 these programs to execute actually. So let's deep dive into the questions. What type of questions that they have asked in the SQL. So the first the question that asked in write an SQL query to display passengers flying to Paris. Your output should have 5 columns as given below. You can view the database schema by deciding the view top it on the bait on query window on right hand side of the screen like that. This is like similar. This is not exact question, but the pattern is very similar to this question actually. So they ask to execute these type of questions in SQL. This is one question key concepts like identify the database tablets in the contain required information. Next, write the select statement and then use the from clause. Step 4, add where condition and 5 like that. You should build the query and you should write this. So the same pattern they just given for the SQL execution. And coming to the next question, these type of questions now I need to show any customers within the latest order. This means if a customer has more than one order, show only the order like that they have asked. So this type of pattern questions that they have asked as one more question. And when it comes to the program, they asked this question actually. Let me Let me minimize this one. A box is called like a bakery prepares and pastries every day. Each pastry has passed through number of cherries on it. You want to pack pastries into boxes. You are allowed to group any number of consecutive pastries to form a box. That is, pastries must remain in order like supply. A box is called perfect if the total. If you are given an integer array and representing the number of cherries on each pastry, you have to group the pastries and any order into boxes such that no perfect. The final question that they have asked is like your task is to find integer value representing the maximum number of perfect boxes you can form by grouping. This is you can form by grouping pastries in any order. This is what the program that you need to execute by using any programming language that they have asked in the programming question. Yeah, this is about SQL and this is about programming questions, guys. Yeah, this is about IBM written test. Thank you all.